Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the tools. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later and update shortcuts and any GIF apps. Open Shortcuts and create a new shortcut that fetches or selects a GIF from Photos or Jiffy. Name it clearly. Once done, add actions. Get latest media or URL, convert to PNG sequence or live photo if required, then save to Photos. Make sure to grant permissions when prompted, so the shortcut can access your GIF files and run smoothly. Now you create the actionable widget item. Open a widget hosting app or use the Shortcuts widget. Add a new widget slot and select the shortcut you built. In Shortcuts, ensure it exports a live photo or single-frame PNG sequence because iOS home screen widgets require static assets. Some apps convert GIF into rotating images. Once configured, run the shortcut several times to confirm the output file updates consistently. Make sure to set any refresh triggers or schedules if the widget host supports refresh intervals. Finally, place the widget. Long press the home screen, tap plus, pick your widget app or Shortcuts widget, and select the created shortcut instance. Once placed, tap the widget to trigger a manual run and confirm the displayed image updated. If it fails, force quit the widget host, restart your phone, and rerun the shortcut to refresh caches. If problems persist, check permissions for Photos and Shortcuts, then recreate the shortcut step-by-step to isolate the failing action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.